The release of Apple's Vision Pro marks an inflection point for virtual and augmented reality, because Apple's Vision Pro has been described by all of those who've tried it as feeling like literal magic.
But the first thing you have to do is calibrate your eyes, and there's a short calibration session, it's about, turns out 2 minutes, and you're in. And this is where the magic happens.
So basically, the eye tracking in this headset, as it looks at your eyes and keeps track of where your eyes move around, is the closest thing that I've experienced to like magic. Like I normally don't call tech things sort of magical or surreal like this, but this was, even for a pre-release product, kind of unbelievable how well it does.
Immediately after its release, Apple's YouTube video on the Vision Pro achieved 20 million views in a day. Everything on trending was about the Vision Pro. Twitter was packed with supporters drooling over Apple's latest gadget, with influencers like Casey Neistat even claiming that he wants a Vision Pro for everyone in his house, including the dog, adding that the Vision Pro is the answer for his kids. And it's not just him. Every big influencer and media personality is licking their lips at the prospect of the Vision Pro.